Hello, guys. When the computer is newly installed or reinstalled, only the default web browser is available. Of Windows, in order to use Google Chrome, today we will teach you how to install Google Chrome for your computer. If your computer does not have a Microsoft EGD web browser icon with Windows 8, Windows 10, or Windows 11, and the Internet Explorer for Windows 7, then you enter the search box for Windows from the Microsoft EGD. For Windows 8, 10, and 11, similar to Windows 7, is the Internet Explorer, then click on the icon. The web browser window appears. You have entered Google Chrome. Press Enter to search. Here, you click on Download Now, and the Download Chrome window appears. If you click on Download Chrome to download it, then if you want to download the Chrome setup.exe file, click on it. To install. The window that appears asks if you want to install, you choose Yes to install. The computer will proceed with the download. And when you install, you wait for the setup machine. You're going to get a look like Google Chrome, man. To get started, go to the original settings. You can select the items to display on the bar. Google 6-page default and select Next, where you can select background. For Google Chrome, depending on your choice of wallpaper, you can go to the settings of Google Chrome to change it later. And choose Next. Here you want Google Chrome to be the default search, then select Set as Default. I don't choose, so I'll skip. Next, if you have a Google account, click Continue to log in, you can't ignore it. So I've taught you how to install the Google Chrome web browser on your computer. You can share and subscribe to the channel to see more videos. Hi and meet. See you again.